We established a telemedicine care for patients after kidney transplantation, including a team consisting of experienced medical professionals. If vital signs exceed critical values or messages indicate that something is happening with the patients, care can be adapted quickly to the needs of the patients. The telemedicine team also supports routine clinical care and improves the communication between patients and physicians in charge. The development of this platform, which is still ongoing, takes into account the opinion of patients and different medical professionals. In addition, we adhere to the current GDPR.
Begin by training the patient. Show them where to find laboratory values and how they are presented, how to find the text messaging function and how to send a message, how to start a video consultation, and how to find a medication plan and confirm medication intake. Demonstrate how to submit vital signs, blood sugar, well-being status, and confirm or decline medication intake. Train the patient how to take the immunosuppressive drugs correctly and how to measure heart rate and blood pressure. Set the patient's current body weight in the telemedicine dashboard by clicking on the Therapeutic Plan button, fill in weight in kilograms, and click on Confirm Data. Define the therapeutic plan for home measurements with the patient and fill out the frequency table in T-Base. Discuss with the patients when to contact them to remind them to forward data and encourage the patients to call in case of medical